Let me show you how to take a side hustle or an idea and turn it into a company. Level 1, proof of concept. Sales go directly into your personal account. You have no protection, no tax benefits, no write-offs. Nice, you made it to level 2. Form an LLC, tax as a sole prop, and open up a business bank account. Money comes into the business, the LLC, and then you can take write-offs and expenses. Pay yourself by taking an owner's draw. Now you have the protection of an LLC. My personal favorite, level 3. Time to form a holding company, an LLC, taxed as an S Corp, owned by you. Sales flow into your business, which is now a disregarded LLC. This company is now going to pay your holding company a management fee. Your holding company is going to pay you a salary and quarterly distributions. This allows you to avoid self-employment taxes and take advantage of the low corporate tax rate. Be good to future you.
I agree with that in general. I think as you first start a business, you're a sole proprietor. It's easy to start. I could just go mow lawns and say Chris's Lawn Service, and I don't really need anything probably besides a city business license or county, wherever you live. But then there is some complications with that in terms of taxes, right? So you're definitely paying self-employment taxes on any profit, which is Social Security and Medicare, 15.3%, plus your income tax rates. If you form an LLC, which the video mentioned, there is some legal protections, right? So obviously talk to an attorney, but that's one of the main purposes of an LLC. There's nothing really different with taxes than when you were a sole proprietor, because a single member LLC, the IRS considers as a disregarded entity, meaning it's not separate from the owner personally, even though legally it is. But for federal tax purposes, it's the same. So that I've heard a lot of people say, hey, should I form an LLC to save in taxes? But that's not necessarily true, because it's taxed the same as a sole proprietor. The third step the video talked about was electing that LLC to be taxed as an S Corp. That one was actually saying set up another LLC to be an S Corp. And you think you need that? I mean, I know you don't need that. You can just take your existing LLC and elect it to be an S Corp. You file Form 2553 to do that. And then now, even though legally as an entity it's an LLC with your Secretary of State, but it's now taxed as an S Corporation. And so with that, there is a pass-through of the profits, just like a sole proprietor or a single member LLC, but you don't pay self-employment tax any longer like you would with a single member LLC or sole proprietorship. The difference is with the S Corp, the owner operator has to pay themselves a salary through a W-2. So you pay